Hey, welcome. My name is Shay from DreamHomeBasedWork.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content posted on this channel.
Hey, welcome back everyone. Today I will be featuring a few new remote jobs featuring a data entry position that doesn't require a degree and includes full benefits. I'll share some details about the position, the requirement, benefits that come with the position and how you can apply online. So keep watching to learn more. The company that I'll be featuring is Episource. This is a healthcare solutions company that is currently hiring a remote data entry associate. This is a full-time position that pays $17 per hour. Now, you will be responsible for entering healthcare diagnosis data into their system. You will also help spot issues and bring them to the attention of the manager. As far as requirements, you will need a high school diploma and at least 1 year of experience in data entry and data management. You should also have high-speed internet and the ability to type at least 60 words per minute. Now, you can scroll down here the list of, responsibilities as well as benefits that are included: health, vision, dental, voluntary life insurance, and 401 contribution. So data entry position sounds interesting to you, you can go ahead and apply with their company today. The next remote job that I would like to feature is actually a social media job with Social Factor. Now, if you are looking for a fun part-time job, then Social Factor may be the perfect opportunity for you. They are a digital marketing agency that currently has a part-time position for a lead social media community manager. Now, your responsibilities will include, just moderating activity, escalating issues. You will need to be familiar with the Sprinkler workflow because you will be managing that system as well as, offering quarterly feedback on the community moderator progress. You will need to have some, experience working with a remote team. They will also pay around $18 to $20 per hour. The ideal candidate would need to have at least 2 years of moderator experience. On the job listing, you can fill out their quick application here, or you can apply with a LinkedIn account. You will just simply, fill out your details. You will need to upload a resume in order to apply for this job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for a resume template bundle that I will be currently offering to you guys. This will definitely help anyone that has experience, or if you don't have prior experience. I made sure to format these resumes where it would be very simple for you guys to just fill in your details. The templates will also include examples for you guys to go off of. If you are confused on what you should put on your resume in different sections. You will have a reference letter that you can have access to, cover letter, as well as a thank you post-interview letter. So definitely stay tuned for that. That is a project that I've been working on this particular year. So yes, definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up as well as share with your family and friends that may be looking for any one of these type of non-phone work at home jobs. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. If you are looking for more ways to make money from home as a beginner online, make sure you pick up my guide, 20 beginner-friendly ways to make money online with 150 companies. I made sure that I did all the research for you guys. I researched over 150 companies that you guys can be able to sign up with, apply with. Also, you will be able to learn different ways to avoid scams, how to identify if a company is legitimate or not, different sites that you can be able to check. You will find a lot of good nuggets in this video, whether you are a teen stay-at-home mom, you are retired, and you just wanting to transition to working from home. So make sure you pick up that guide. I'll leave my link in the description box below. I appreciate you guys for watching. Take care, guys. Hey, welcome back, everyone. Today, I would like to feature a company that is currently recruiting people to review case files. This is a very easy way to earn additional income as a student, retiree, a self-employed, even as a professional. So keep watching to get full details about this opportunity.